Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to connect Oracle SQL Developer to Oracle Database G11G Express Edition. Remember, this environment is appropriate for learning and testing purpose, where your database and the client application Oracle SQL Developer is installed on the same computer, meaning both of the applications are residing on the same computer itself. Why someone would use this kind of environment? The concept is very clear for testing and learning purposes. So since our computer has Oracle 11G Express Edition installed, and I have already created a shortcut icon for SQL Developer on the screen, you can see we will start connecting the SQL Developer to Oracle Database 11G Express Edition. This is one-time setup. So we will start by launching Oracle SQL Developer. We have to just double click on it. Once we double click, the Oracle SQL Developer will open, and then we have to create a new database connection from there. So to create the database connection, there are few things important. You should know the username and password of system account, and then you should be able to connect it to the Oracle SQL Developer. So you should click on the plus button as a new connection. The moment you click on the plus button, a new window or a new connection window will appear where you have to enter few of the details. So you can see this window asks you to enter the username and the password along with the other information. So let me quickly fill it. So I'm going to type testing in the uh, connection name, then username, I'm typing system, and the password for my system is already set. I will save the password for future purpose. It means next time I don't want to type the password again and again. Host name, this is a local connection, so local host is quite fine. Port number is default port number 1521. On this port, the service is running. Service identity number or identifier is XE. This is again default. We have to click on test. So if the success status comes up, it means our connection is ready to establish. Click on connect, and now you can see we have connected successfully our database connection. So I will click on testing. On the left side, the testing connection. Once you click on it, it will open SQL worksheet where you can type and execute your queries. So let's verify. To verify, I'm going to execute our first query, which is select star or asterisk from dual and end it with the semicolon. After you have typed the query, highlight it and execute it. Once you execute, you can see the query returns the value X. If there is no value or something other than X is coming, it means your connection is not working properly. The X indicates our connection is working properly. So in this video, we have seen how to connect to Oracle database using Oracle SQL Developer. In coming classes, we will learn how to execute other queries to create database related activities like creating table, inserting record, and so many other things. Till then, enjoy and thanks for watching.